आदत एक है कि if I touch the raw meat, I cannot eat, and it's a
ओके
weird thing. Okay.
यूनिकनेस है
Mhm.
हर इंसान का बट हमारा जो क्या होता है ना हम इंसान आते हैं हमारा पर्पस ही भूल जाते हैं यू नो दे डोंट वांट दैट अटेंशन तो बिकॉज दैट पर्सन हैज अ पॉलिटिक पहला
मेरे को तो मालूम हो गया लाइक एनर्जी विल ट्रांसफर लाइक आपने जो बोला था हीलिंग होता है व्हाट इज हीलिंग लाइक हीलिंग कैसे होता है एंड वो होता क्या है
सो हीलिंग बहुत टाइप्स के होते हैं सो इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन what they are going through, what are the problems they are facing, however everything is being manifested for themselves. They have to work on themselves, right? It's close, but I just told them that they are blessing and guiding.
wow like how do you read it or how does it work
For tarot, you can do it. You are magic. You are someone who God loves. Like anything, you are the best creation of.
ओके नमस्ते एभ्रिवान आज फेरि हामी नयाँ एपिसोड लिएर नयाँ फरक ढङ्गको एपिसोड लिएर उपस्थित भइसकेका छौँ आज हामीले पहिले नै भनेअनुसार भिन्न भिन्न व्यक्तित्वलाई हाम्रो प्रोग्राममा निम्त्याउने कोसिसमा आज हामीले एकदमै फरक व्यक्तित्वलाई यहाँ निम्त्याएका छौँ उहाँलाई परिचय दिनुपर्दाखेरि उहाँ चाहिँ नेपालकी बुहारी र भारतकी छोरी हुनुहुन्छ र उहाँ चाहिँ इनर ट्रान्सफर्मेसन कोच पनि हुनुहुन्छ सो लेट्स वेलकम हर भावी वेलकम टु द शो
Namaste. Thank you for having me.
It's always good to see you. It's a pleasure having you here today. So just to let everybody know, आजको हामी पोडकास्ट चाहिँ आदि हिन्दीमा आदि नेपालीमा आदि इङ्ग्लिसमा गर्नेछौँ हामी हाम्रो भाउजूसँग जति सकिन्छ नेपालीमा इन्टरेक्सन पनि गर्छौँ उहाँको ल्याङ्ग्वेज बेरियरको कारणले वी विल गो विथ either Hindi or English. We'll mix all three languages together. So Bhabi, how is life going on right now?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay, you like in Canada?
Yes.
ओके सो आपके बारे में थोड़ा जानने की कोशिश करेंगे मेरा हिंदी भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है पर आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू डू दैट आपका थोड़ा हु इज सोनाक्षी इफ आई वुड आस्क हु इज सोनाक्षी व्हाट वुड यू से
So, who's Sonakshi? It's an interesting question. When it comes to Sonakshi, I am a daughter, obviously, from a mother, and the mother who has been the most strongest woman I've ever seen.
Okay.
And my identity has come from her, but again, I'm a wife as well of a wonderful human being who's a chef in the cottage cheese.
Okay.
And again, I am a transformation coach, inner transformation coach. I do tarot reading as well. And my goal in my life is that I would like to help people to reach their purpose, to find their purpose, and become happy.
Okay, so the main thing is Sonakshi is someone who loves to help other to find happiness.
Yes.
The short form.
The contentment, yes.
Okay, so आपके बारे में थोड़ा जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. Where you from in India? किधर कौन सी जगह से हो इंडिया में?
So I have been from one place to another. So I was born and brought up in Assam, Guwahati.
Assam, okay.
Yeah. There I have completed my 10th and then I have moved to Kolkata. Okay. Where I met my husband.
Vikas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I moved to Mumbai in 2013.
2013.
2013 I moved to Mumbai, and then in 2022 I moved to Canada.
So you moved to Mumbai. Vikas was in Mumbai too, or you met each other in Kolkata?
So we met in 2009 and we were friends actually.
Okay.
But then after that we directly met on the wedding day.
That is it?
Yeah.
So you were friends in 2009, and after that you met each other in the wedding day. Yeah. How does this relation like moved on?
So overall it's a मतलब वनवास जैसा ही बोल सकते हो आप, but again it's a long distance relationship. We made it official in 2018.
2018, okay.
So obviously after I moved to.
So 2018 से पहले आप लोग दोस्त थे?
We were friends, yes.
So okay.
So we were friends. I moved to Mumbai. He also we lost touch in 2011 actually. Okay. So we lost touch. He started working in other fields and other jobs. He was in Kolkata. Then he was in ship, in cruise ship. I was working with one of the big companies in Mumbai. So it's Aditya Birla Insurance, Sun Life Insurance. And we developed, like, we started talking on Facebook since 2016.
2016.
Yeah.
Okay, that's when the relationship started, I would say.
We were becoming close to each other. We started sharing things about each other. However, Vikas is very shy.
He is. I know him
He's
very well.
very shy. However, he took a step ahead and
He did not you.
no.
Okay. Okay.
He took a step ahead in 2018, and we started, like, officially we started dating that.
2016, you said.
2018
2018.
we
Okay.
were talking, and we somewhere know
You
we
started
like
somewhere in
each other,
2018.
yeah.
Okay, wow, it's interesting. I didn't know this. It's the first time I'm knowing all that. So it sounds interesting already to me. So 2018 में आप लोगों का रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट हुआ, आप लोग मिले नहीं हो. I mean, like, you knew each other.
Yeah.
आप लोग दोस्त
So
थे.
Vikas moved to Canada in 2017.
2017. Okay.
सितंबर में वो यहाँ पे आया, कनाडा में आया.
Okay.
And तब से हमारा बात और ज्यादा बढ़ गया.
Okay.
We started talking a lot, like a lot.
Maybe he felt lonely here.
Probably
He was
that
new.
had kicked in, maybe. And so 2018 May 29th, I mean 29th of July, he made it official.
Okay.
And
He proposed you.
It's not literally propose तो कौन लड़का करता है अपने घुटनों में बैठ के अंगूठी दे के नहीं करता है.
Propose in a sense हमारे यहाँ
Yeah.
like I love you बोला उस दिन.
Yeah, but he confirmed the feelings that we were having for each other. He confirmed that.
Okay, that day.
So we acknowledged. I also acknowledged it, and then we made it official. Like I told my mom and my friends, and obviously the people who are very close to me. विकास ने भी अपने फैमिली मेंबर को बोला, but then he took some time. Okay. To tell his parents.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, वो जब आप लोग रिलेशनशिप में आए, you were already far away, at least 13,000 mile away from each other. और उसके बाद मिले तो सिर्फ शादी के दिन पे, जो आपने बोला, it already sound very interesting to me. I wanna dig in a little bit. So उसके बाद रिलेशनशिप आगे बढ़ाने के लिए कैसे कैसे चीज को झेलना पड़ा आप लोगों को. लाइक आई एम श्योर इट्स नॉट अ इजी जर्नी फ्रॉम देयर.
Yeah, oh my god. The distance is something which actually helps you to grow in your relationship. कि आपको तभी पता चलता है कि आपको इनके साथ रहना है कि नहीं रहना है. When you see कि मतलब दोनों में भले डिस्टेंस हो, बट आप लोग कम्युनिकेट इक्वली कर रहे हो. आप इक्वली 100% दे रहे हो. लाइक एक दूसरे से जब आप बात करते हो, भले हमारा झगड़ा हो, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटीज कि किस बेसिस में हम लोग रिलेशनशिप में है, राइट. आपको पता ही नहीं है कि होगा कि नहीं होगा. कभी मतलब एक टाइम में मिले हो 2009 में, and then you're dating this person without meeting. Okay. Right. So this was something very different. Right. Okay. Now बहुत सारे challenges आए, बहुत सारे doubts आए हमारे अंदर भी, मेरे अंदर भी आया. विकास also felt a lot of things. He felt a lot of loneliness while he was here. तो उसको थोड़ा बहुत he struggled a lot. Okay. विकास struggled a lot. And जैसे मैं उसके लिए acknowledge करने के लिए थी that I am there for you, he was equally there for me. You. Okay. So that's sweet. So the relationship is like more than, he's my like best friend, my soulmate, my everything. Okay. And I try to give that much, I want to contribute that much that he has given to me, right? It's not again a give and take relationship. Somewhere but it's still support between each other. Yeah. He's the one. So I will take this. आपने जब अपनी मम्मी को बताया कि like you are in a relationship now with a guy who is far away from you and you don't even know when you will meet him. Yeah. ऐसा नहीं कि आप लोग एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते थे, you were friends already, but फिर भी now when you were in a relationship you were so far. What was the reaction of your mother? Oh, my mother is super cool. Yeah. My mom is like, never she came to me and told me that you have to get married, you are getting old or something like that. Oh, my mother is the very open-minded person. Okay. And the way I am, like I have been brought up, wow, it's a magic. Like she's a wonderful human being. And I lost my dad when I was 3 years old. Sorry to hear that. No, I feel my father all the time actually around me.
Okay.
Yeah. That's another story.
Okay, we'll
But
talk
my
about that too.
mother is the pillar of my life.
Okay.
Yeah. The way she reacted, she loves Vikash.
But she already knew him before.
No, my mother also has this gift of reading faces and all. She
Okay.
can tell. In fact, in my maternal family, it has been coming from generations to generations.
Okay.
So मेरी जो मम्मी की मामा जी थे,
Okay.
he was a great psychic.
Okay.
Like he become blind at the age of I think काफी टाइम हो गया था, काफी उम्र हो गई थी, तो he was blind.
Okay.
But then the moment you will enter a room,
Mhm.
he will just with your aura or sensing something, he will tell everything about it.
Wow.
That kind of psychic he was. Then my mother, she used to be a astrologer. She took that line. She
Okay.
was working with the planetary movement and all. Astrology is basis that, right? मेरे मामा जी भी थे.
Is he still there?
No,
No.
I lost my chota mama actually in
Okay.
2007.
Okay.
So he was also into astrology. So it's in the family. So the moment I told about Vikas to my mother, she was like, she saw his face and she knew.
Okay.
But then she didn't tell anything. She was like, okay, acha, okay. Bas, that's it.
That was the reaction. Like, okay,
kuch nahi. Yeah.
Okay.
So हमारे family में my mother has been like, see, we have stayed in other places, right?
Mhm.
Right, in Assam. And Assam में बहुत सारे नेपाली लोग भी हैं.
हाँ, मेरी बीवी भी आसाम में ही पैदा हुई थी.
See, so my mother's colleagues were also Nepali. Nepali, Manipuri, ये सारे बहुत सारे लोग थे. So the culture is somewhere, we already were familiar.
Okay. So नेपाली के साथ रिलेशनशिप अगर अथवा शादी करने में इतना वो शॉक नहीं हुआ. So you already knew the culture and everything. Yeah. Okay.
My mother always said that if you're destined to meet him, if you're destined to marry him, you will. I am nobody to decide or stop you from doing that.
Okay. So she was cool with anything.
Yeah.
Okay. So इस दौरान आप और विकास, जो I know विकास too is an amazing guy. आपके रिलेशन में like 2018 से लेकर आप यहाँ पे 22 पे आए शायद. 23 पे आए. So ये 5 साल के दौरान में is there anything you want to share, interesting things, like it's an unique relationship, I would say. So is there anything you would like to say, like you would like to remember?
So I'll tell you, 2020 में there was a situation where 2019 में Vikas sent my photo to his parents. My photo to his parents. Okay. That I like this girl. ऐसा है and I want to marry her. Okay. At first they were like shocked because they have nobody in the entire family दूसरे कास्ट की लड़की या जो नेपाली नहीं है उनके फैमिली में कोई नहीं है. Like उनके मामा के फैमिली में, उनके पापा के साइड के फैमिली में there is nobody who's from a different caste.
Interracial or
yeah. Okay. So they were at the time like they were not confident because क्या होता है आप लोगों के beliefs, caste and you follow some of the rules of the family, right? Culture differences होगा. So I might not fit in. वो सब सोच के for विकास कि विकास को future में अच्छी कोई मिले, नेपाली कोई मिले. तो वैसे सोच के they said कि they didn't say anything, but then they were not
very happy. They were not very happy. They wanted Nepali Buhari in the family.
Right.
It's obvious, like I mean, like not obvious, but this is how the parents think.
Right.
I can understand how that is being a Nepali actually. और क्या हुआ फिर विकास ने आपका फोटो दिखाया तो what was their reaction, like सीधा मना कर दिया कि like
so मना किया था उन्होंने. I'm sorry to say that, but
are we okay with that for now?
I am. So we had a small breakup time, like very very tiny breakup time within after that episode when they said no. Okay. Then his brother, like my brother-in-law, called me and then he spoke with me in Bengali in a cute way. Then he said, give him a chance. Like our family has agreed for you. Don't do this. I was actually upset because we have spent so much time and after spending I have also given so much time for this relationship. और सामने से ना आता है तो आपको बुरा लगता है, right? तो आई वॉज शॉक्ड, आई वॉज सैड, तो थोड़ा मैंने उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया
Okay.
जो लड़कियां करते हैं.
Uh-huh.
But then भैया like called, he convinced me, and we were back again.
Yeah. So फिर मतलब in-laws भी मान गए and then you guys.
Oh, my in-laws are wonderful. Like
Yeah.
wonderful people. They love me. My father-in-law and mother-in-law are
Uh-huh.
so adorable. Like वो दोनों जब, so for me they are the best couple in the world, ऐसा
Uh-huh.
बोल
Okay.
सकते हैं. My father-in-law will not leave my mother-in-law for a moment and go anywhere.
Oh yeah.
कहीं पे भी जाना है, घूमने जाना है, they are always together.
Yeah. अकेले कहीं पे नहीं चलते.
नहीं.
Okay.
And they are just adorable. Similarly, my brother-in-law, बड़े जो भैया है,
Hmm.
he also adores his wife like anything.
Okay.
Similarly, his younger brother also adores his wife like
What about
anything.
Vikas then?
Oh, he is my soulmate, I'm telling you.
I'm sure Vikas adores you like the same way his family does. और फिर उसके बाद आप लोगों का शादी का बाद आगे बढ़ा.
हाँ.
और फाइनली शादी हुआ. मैंने देखा भी था, विकास ने दिखाया था आप लोगों का शादी का एक वीडियो में 2.2 मिलियन कितने का व्यूज था. So it means not only the family, the whole Nepal
whole
loved
Nepal,
it.
like,
Yes.
like
Some part of India or like whole Nepal loved it.
yeah.
So let's go after शादी के बाद में, like आप नेपाल गई शादी के
Yeah.
बाद. आपका शादी नेपाल में हुआ कि इंडिया में हुआ?
So जब शादी मेरा इंडिया में हुआ था, मुंबई में.
Okay.
Reception was in Nepal.
Okay, so शादी मुंबई में करके सब लोग इन नेपाल चले गए और you did reception there in
Yeah.
Butwal, I believe.
Butwal, right.
Butwal. So आप was that the first time you were going to
Visited,
Nepal?
yeah.
Oh yeah. So कैसा लगा नेपाल? Like let's talk about it. आप अभी तो आप half नेपाली हो, half Bengali, half Nepali. So even if you want, you can call yourself Nepali too.
Yeah,
We don't
yeah.
mind. Nepal पहली बार जाने में it's a very new place,
Yeah.
new people. Yes, there is someone who love you and who is next to you all the time. But still नए जगह में जाके नए लोग से मिलने. What was the feeling, the reaction? How did the people took you in Butwal? Like how did they welcome you?
People are very pleasant over there. Not only my family members, but his cousins,
Hmm?
even the neighborhood people also. They all loved me.
Yeah.
They all loved me. I am so blessed that पता नहीं ये मेरे लिए भगवान का गिफ्ट है क्या है. I got what I have like probably dreamed of, or I deserve probably. But then I got the best family
Yeah.
as my obviously.
Lucky you. Not everybody are able to say this in this world, so I feel very good you saying that. Yeah. So your Nepal experience been good.
So
For
I'll
the
tell
first
you
time.
what
Okay.
happened with
Uh-huh.
me. So this is my first experience. Okay, the wedding was over. We got
Uh-huh.
home, and next day early morning, not early morning, but at around 10:30 we were to leave
We leave where? Like
from Mumbai
up to Nepal.
to Nepal. So
Okay.
we went to Nepal. We landed in Gorakhpur.
Okay.
Then we were about to cross the border, and the moment we were like entering Nepal, it was a different feeling altogether for me.
Mm-hmm.
Because क्या हो रहा था ना, कहीं ना कहीं back of your mind कि I have never,
Been to
these
this place.
all people are new to me.
Very new.
वो
Yeah.
गाड़ी में जो जितने लोग थे ना, my father-in-law, my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, my co-sister basically, and हम लोग सारे जब enter, विकास के साथ मैं फोन पे बात किया ना.
Okay.
शादी के दिन मैं मिली उससे.
शादी के पहले भी एक दो दिन पहले भी नहीं मिले आप
नहीं,
लोग?
एक दो दिन मिली थी. बाप रे, oh my
Okay.
god. So हमारा engagement हुआ था,
Uh-huh.
like शादी के so on the 26th of October.
Okay.
Sorry, November.
Okay.
हमारा engagement हुआ था.
Mhm.
And मैं गई थी उसको एयरपोर्ट में रिसीव करने के लिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट वाज सो डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक आई हैव सीन दिस पर्सन दुबला पतला 2009 में. माय गॉड, 2009 में मैंने इसको देखा. वेरी थिन, वेरी लाइक वो बचपना वाला टीनेज वाला फील था. एंड नाउ आई एम सीइंग दिस गाय हु इज लाइक लॉन्ग हेयर. मतलब मैंने छोटी भी बना दिया था उसका 2 बार 3 बार. But yeah, he's entering from he's coming out of the airport, and he was like, okay, थोड़ा weird सा हुआ था. But then slowly it was okay. But then still again, when after the wedding day, like on the 10th December, मैं नेपाल गई थी. So the car is full of unknown people. चलो Vikas is there, but again I have been with him for a week's time, maybe 10 days time. Okay. It's again new, right?
सब लोग नए थे, हाँ.
It's all new, and I'm moving, I'm going, I've crossed the border. Then we booked a hotel over there so that I can change.
Okay.
Because वो आपका कुछ कैंडल जला के कुछ ऐसे करते हैं ना, जब
आरती स्वागत करने के लिए.
हाँ. So when your दूल्हा दुल्हन जब नया घर पे
Ah, okay. वो
नजर
भित्र्याउने. Okay. We got it. We got what it is.
So for that also it seems मेरे को ड्रेस अप करना था, and then तो जो शादी में लड़के वालों की तरफ से जो मेरे लिए कपड़ा आया था, I had to wear that. Quickly we got ready in that hotel. सारे लोग तैयार होके, and then we quickly went.
और नेपाल के अंदर था कि लाइक गोरखपुर में?
नहीं, नेपाल बॉर्डर जब क्रॉस किया, Sunoli में. Okay. Yeah. Then we got ready, and then we went to the area, I mean my house, जहाँ पे बुतवल में हम लोग जहाँ पे रहते हैं वहाँ पे गए. मम्मी आई, everything is new. People were like so different, and फिर डांस वांस कर रहे थे अंदर, बहुत बैंड बाजा and everything. This video shoot वाला बंदा आया, ऐसे सामने 4 बार घूमा, गाड़ी से उतर रही थी, all those things happened. It was very different, but again people were so positive and like बहुत दिल खोल के मेरे को उन लोगों ने वेलकम किया, which I'm so grateful. Similarly, विकास के मामा वाले जो फैमिली है, उसके cousins, they are all just wonderful people.
Yeah. सब आप नेपाल गई, आपका रिसेप्शन हुआ उधर, सब थोड़े बहुत लोग आपने वो भी किया तो.
One more cultural shock was
okay
there.
another cultural shock.
Sorry.
Okay.
Before that I didn't have a cultural shock, but this was the one actually. तो रिसेप्शन के टाइम में 2 बकरा लेके आए थे वो लोग.
Okay.
And it seems they cut the goat for the reception and all.
Okay.
And
तो इंडिया से ही ले आए थे बकरे कि?
I don't know. नहीं, वहाँ से I think लाए थे.
Okay.
नेपाल से लाए थे.
Okay.
And it seems they have the blood, and they make some intestine और उसका कुछ एक dish बनता है.
Oh yeah, we love it.
Yeah. So that was a different, like that was very new. And
नहीं खाते आप लोग उधर?
इंडिया में हम लोगों ने मतलब कभी सुना भी नहीं था मैंने.
Okay.
So it was very different, but then I was feeling so bad for the goats when they were cutting it off. I was like, I put my earphones on.
They were doing it open.
हाँ, वो फील्ड जैसा ऐसा खुला एरिया था, वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने किया. And then oh my god, मैंने कान में हेडफोन लगा के जोर से गाना लगा के ऊपर जाके भाग के छुप गई कहीं पे. And it seems सारे लड़के लोग were like having fun watching it and ऐसा. So it was different for me for the moment, but I tasted it. I liked it.
You Bhutan, it's called Bhutan. So did you try that?
I did try. Maybe I will like as a respect for the culture, I may have it. But you can. I will not be able to cook it myself.
So अभी बात करने में, like, will you have it again?
If someone is making at home, like out
but
of
आप
love.
नहीं बनाओगे?
Maybe future में पता नहीं, but again maybe for someone I may.
Okay.
But अगर मैं ऐसे raw देखूंगी तो थोड़ा uncomfortable हो भी सकता है.
I can understand that. मेरा भी आदत एक है कि like if I touch the raw meat, I cannot eat it. And it's a weird thing. So even I tell my wife, like, मैं कभी raw meat छूता नहीं हूँ. It's not an excuse, but that's actually like something happens to me. इसलिए मैं कच्चा वो नहीं छूता हूँ, सिर्फ पकने के बाद. So that's my thing. Yeah. और दूसरा thing वो intestine and everything वो भुटन बोलते हैं उसको. That is the best thing ever.
I know people love.
और like नेपाल में you can call it like 95% of people will like run for it. They love it so much. Okay, ये दूसरी बात हो गई. अब आप नेपाल में गई तो what do you like? If I ask you like what do you exactly like about Nepal or dislike about Nepal? Is there anything to say about it?
Dislike तो है नहीं. I like everything. The nature and the natural part is the main part which I love the most is कि अभी भी untouched है.
हाँ
untouched in a way कि वहाँ पे कुछ corporate buildings नहीं है. It's
हम्म,
not polluted, right? I love that. It's
yeah,
it's the nature is still there, like it's living,
yeah.
right? Dislike नहीं बताऊंगी, but somewhere I pray that Nepal becomes a developed country.
One day,
Yeah,
inshallah, we'll see.
because it has potential, and again it feels, I mean, I feel the pain when people has to see their loved ones go abroad for
Yes, that's
work
our
or
biggest problem. Like I think
financial.
the country is running because of the remittance,
Yeah.
which is very sad to say, but that's the reality. और आप नेपाल में घूमी ना, उसके बाद आप गई बहुत जगह पे घूमने के लिए, वो which places were those, like कहाँ गई आप नेपाल
So
में?
I went to Muktinath,
मुक्तिनाथ,
one of
okay.
the lovely place.
Mhm,
Then we went to Pokhara,
mhm.
then Kalika Mandir.
कालिका मंदिर is where? कहाँ पे वो?
Okay, Baglum
बागलुंग
में है.
बागलुंग में,
हाँ.
okay.
So it was like the experience is very beautiful.
Yeah,
Again, I'm someone who's drawn to Kalima,
okay.
and when we went there, the energy and the vibes were very pure,
Okay.
very soulful. Yeah.
Happy to hear that. मुक्तिनाथ में भी गया हूँ 2-4 बार. It's a beautiful place and a holy place for us. Was there snow when you go there?
Yeah.
Full
It
of
was
snow?
-1,
Okay.
and वो आपको ना मुक्तिनाथ के मंदिर के पीछे की तरफ there is this small
Waterfalls?
taps are there.
Okay.
Taps है कि I don't know what is it
We
called.
call it Dhara.
धारा.
Mhm.
Okay. So वहाँ से 108
108, I think,
धारा
yeah.
है, and then you have to go through
You
there.
did it?
We all did it. Like
Okay.
all the family members did it. Oh my god, it was so
And
cold.
you come to those small two
There is a
ponds
small
and yeah.
pond, हाँ, वहाँ पे आके आपको स्नान करके बाहर निकलना पड़ता है. बहुत ठंडा था, but yeah, आपको फील भी होता है. उसके बाद you feel the heat in your body.
Yeah. मैं जब वहाँ गया था मैं नहीं कर पाया वो because I got a high sickness when I was there. So हमने क्या मिस्टेक कर दिया कि like मैं और बीवी थे, हम पोखरा से दोस्त के साथ बाइक में चले गए. एक दिन हम तातो पानी करके जगह है
I have been there, yeah.
the hot water springs, and वहाँ से हम डायरेक्ट मुक्तिनाथ गए बाइक में, which is 1100 meter Tatopani, and we went directly to 3800 meter to Muktinath.
I see.
Within the 3 to 4 or 5 hours. So my body, it was all good. When at night when we were resting, like I got a high sickness. It was so difficult to breathe.
Okay.
And I drank a lot of water. Somehow I survived that night, and the next day morning I was not feeling very good. So we just went to the temple, थोड़ा पूजा वूजा किया, दर्शन किया, फिर हम वापस आके, और उसमें किस्सा भी है कि हम जब वापस आए होटल में आके देखते हम बाइक पे गए थे, बाइक पंक्चर है.
Oh my god.
और वहां पे हवा डालने का कहीं जगह है ही नहीं. दिस इज 2012 की बात कर रहा हूँ. हम वो सारे होटल में चेक किया, वो हवा डालने के पंप कहीं पे नहीं है. सो वी हैड टू सेंड हमारे बीबी को, मैं और मेरा दोस्त दोनों बीबी को हमने जीप में भेज दिया नीचे, और मैं और मेरा दोस्त 2 जन धीरे धीरे करके, अब वैसे स्लोप में आगे का टायर पंक्चर है वहां से, और अभी तो पीच है. उस टाइम पे इट वाज ऑल द रफ रोड. सो जॉनसन तक आए, फिर वहां पे हमने बाइक रिपेयर किया और फिर आए. और when I came to Pokhara, my this wrist were like swollen this big because all the pressure was on my hand. वो पल्सर था उस टाइम पे, तो पल्सर इज लाइक all the pressure is on your hand. So that was a nice experience we had too. और आप पोखरा में कितने दिन रहे उधर?
We stayed for 2 days.
2 days. So पोखरा कैसा लगा आपको?
Oh, very beautiful. But बहुत सारा, there are a lot of cultures, not only Nepali, but बाहर से भी बहुत सारे लोग देखे. And हर एक जगह पे छोटे छोटे एरियाज बने हुए हैं फंक्शंस के लिए. People are singing, dancing, all these things, and खाने का stalls and all. It's like it gave me a vibe of like.
कब गए थे? कौन सा मंथ में गए थे याद है?
हम लोग न्यू ईयर बनाने गए थे.
Okay, so there was a street festival going on in Pokhara.
31st को हम लोग गए थे वहाँ पे, 1st को रुके थे, 2nd को हम लोग आ गए थे वापस. So
आपको बताने में मेरे को पता चल गया वहाँ पे कुछ चल रहा होगा. वो स्ट्रीट फेस्टिवल होता है हमेशा, so it's always fun. So मेरा I have a different connection with Pokhara. So basically I used to live in Kathmandu. काठमांडू में ऑफिस था हमारा और पोखरा में भी था. तो whenever I feel tired or whenever I feel exhausted, because हमारा काम we used to be so busy, like सुबह 6 बजे से हम 11 बजे तक ऑफिस में नॉन स्टॉप बिजी रहते थे उस टाइम पे. तो कभी कभी रेस्ट करने के लिए मैं पोखरा जाता था। और आप पोखरा में या तो फ्लाइट से या बस से किसी भी जाओ, आप वो वहां पे उतरो ना, आपका थकान ऐसे ही दूर हो
चला
जाता है।
जाता है।
पोखरा इज द बेस्ट प्लेस। उसका वाइब जो है ना पोखरा का, आई डोंट इवन नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट, बट दैट प्लेस इज डिफरेंट। अब कुछ मत करो, लेक साइड के आसपास वैसे ही चलो, सिर्फ चलने में इतना मजा आता है। दैट इज लाइक अ पीस ऑफ हेवन। द प्लेस हैज अ वेरी गुड वाइब। ओके, सो ये मेरी बात हो गई, अब आपकी बात में जाएंगे। सो आपका नेपाल में फिर अच्छा जा रहा था पोखरा में, और उसके बाद आप इंडिया आई ना, कि नेपाली बैठे आप?
नहीं, so Vikas was supposed to leave, I mean,
टू कनाडा।
come back again to Canada. So हम लोग जनवरी में वापस आए। We stayed in Kolkata. We came along with my mother-in-law and father-in-law. तो हम लोग कोलकाता में कुछ दिन रुके। We met my side of family जो कोलकाता में है, मेरे मामा, उनके wives and all, उन लोगों से मिले, and then we went back to Mumbai. Then the day was coming close that he'll leave. We are both sad and all. He left and he came back here, and I stayed for a couple of weeks there with my mother.
कोलकाता में?
नहीं,
मुंबई में,
Mumbai
sorry,
में.
yeah.
Then I went to Kolkata, and then his brother-in-law and sister-in-law, my sister-in-law, they started calling me back to Nepal कि यहाँ आ जाओ, यहाँ पे अच्छा enjoy करेंगे. Then I went back. Alone I went. My mother-in-law and father-in-law were already there in Kolkata.
Kolkata, okay.
So I went there and yeah, I stayed there for quite a long time.
कितने महीने रहे आप?
So I stayed there for like 3.5 months, and then उसके बाद वापस आई थी मुंबई में. My mother was like थोड़ा सा उनको तबीयत वगैरह खराब हो गया था. I stayed there for some time and again I went back. I stayed there again for like 4-5 months.
Almost 7-8 महीने रहे आप.
हाँ.
So थोड़ा नेपाली सीखा उधर कि नहीं?
अली,
okay. What is the word you can speak in Nepali? Like sentence.
Sentence तो पता नहीं. I have like I can't even speak broken Nepali. It's like संचय हुनुन्छ थोड़ा सा.
संचय हुनुन्छ, okay, you did well. So, but you understand what we say if we speak slowly.
आप स्लो बोलोगे तो समझ में आएगा.
तपाईलाई कस्तो छ?
राम्रो छ.
Okay. I think you will survive in Nepal with this Nepali. This much is enough. So नेपाली घर में, लाइक जब अभी विकास के साथ आप क्या नेपाली बोलते हो कि हिंदी में बात करते हो कि बंगाली, इंग्लिश, क्या यूज करते हो?
विकास and I speak in हिंदी.
Okay, so that's a mutual language.
Yeah.
So दोनों के उसमें. पर विकास आपको नेपाली सिखाते हैं कि नहीं?
He is like तुमको नेपाली सिखाऊंगा तो मैं खुद नेपाली भूल जाऊंगा, तो better you should not learn only.
But you understood by like listening to other friends.
Yeah,
I
do. My father-in-law tries to teach me. Even my mother-in-law, when I try to tell them, थोड़ा reply करती हूँ, they get very happy. But again, बेचारे मेरे वजह से they again start speaking in Hindi.
Yeah. At least we understand Hindi, so it became a mutual language,
yeah.
which is good. आप inner transformation coach हो.
Yeah.
And you already shared in the beginning of the video that you love to help people achieve the happiness. Yeah. So let's talk about this something. What is inner transformation? Like, what is this? What is it about?
So I'll give you the depth of it first, how it comes.
Okay.
Like why we need inner transformation in ourselves. First of all, what are we surrounded like on a daily basis? Our surroundings, our environment is shaping us, right? और सोसाइटी की वजह से हम लोग कैसा ज्यादा से ज्यादा नेगेटिव होते जा रहे हैं. कैसे होते जा रहे हैं कि we start judging ourselves, we start doubting ourselves, right? And जो हमको करना चाहिए लाइफ में या हमको करने का मन है, बट हमको सिर्फ मन ही है, हम उसके लिए कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे, या हमको भरोसा ही नहीं है वो अचीव करना है, कर पाऊंगा या कर पाऊंगी, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you want to become a successful businessman, right? If you have that goal in your mind, if you are 100% sure कि you have to become a successful businessman, you have to work towards it, right? But then आपको businessman बनना है, बट आप किसी कंपनी में अकाउंटेंट का जॉब कर रहे हो, बट यू आर नॉट टेकिंग अ स्टेप,
Okay.
right? You're not taking that step to reach that goal, and you're compromising every day. What are you feeling in that position? उस सिचुएशन में आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है?
Okay.
You're having a lot of regrets, right? You're having a lot of complaints about life. You are saying कि मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है, मैं आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ पा रहा हूँ, मेरे को ऐसा काम नहीं करना है, मैं यहीं पे घुसा पड़ा हूँ, I don't like anyone here, I hate my job, right? Now that person is becoming more and more and more engrossed in negative patterns in his life, right? इस इंसान को कैसे इस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकलना है is what my work comes
Okay.
there.
So that is what inner transformation is, of course. Like वो जो आपका inner, जो आप negativity में चले गए, आपको जो तकलीफ हो रहा है उससे बाहर निकलना, that is
Right.
okay. So how long have you been doing this? Like
So I have this so I have been doing this since 2018. 2018 onwards, I have, like, before Vikas came in, like, we were official, uske pehle I've started doing this.
Okay.
I started with healing
Okay.
people. I'm a healer as well. So for example, I have noticed this whenever I have a cat and a dog at home, okay? Whenever they are going through some illness or something like that, I used to pray and I used to like touch them in a way that थोड़े देर बाद they were like in a normal state. Even for my friends also, I used to help in healing. And again, somewhere people, like for example, उनको कुछ करना है life में, or they were waiting for some news or something, and I used to say हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Right? That time, this is before 2018.
Okay.
मैं ऐसे बोलती थी हो जाएगा. And couple of days back, ये तो सच में ऐसा बोल रही है हो जाएगा, हो भी गया ऐसा. इसने बोला हो गया मेरा. सोनाक्षी, या तो तेरी जबान काली है या तो कुछ है तेरे साथ, ऐसा करके they used to make fun of me at that time. But then I used to get a lot of vivid dreams.
Okay.
And vivid dreams के साथ साथ I used to see figurines around me.
Okay.
That happened, in fact, मैं जब छोटी भी थी ना, तब भी मेरे साथ होता था, but उसमें मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता था तभी.
Okay.
But then something happened in 2016, 2017 and 18, something happened. There was a shift in me.
Okay.
And the changes started happening. I started listening, hearing voices and all. I started hearing, seeing a lot of energies around me. Good energies, like pure energies. Like for example, ऐसा लगेगा कि ऐसा एक आपका, दिया का बाती जैसा होता, लॉ जैसा होता है ना, it's roaming around the house.
Okay.
ऐसे लॉ, ऐसे छोटे छोटे लाइट्स.
वो आपके सपने में आते थे? नहीं. एनर्जी फील हो रहा है.
Like for example, I'm in my room, when I'm sitting in my room, and suddenly small balls of lights will like roaming around me. ऐसा.
Okay.
This has happened so many times. Then there was this is actually magic. So there was a small tiny figurine of a angel kind, like fairy जैसे होता है ना छोटा. It was coming inside my room. Like बहुत तेज धूप आ रही थी, उसके साथ साथ वो छोटा सा ऐसा आया अंदर. And suddenly it entered my room, but then वो गायब.
Okay.
The moment I saw it was like gone. So all these things were happening, and I was denying at that point of time. I was denying, maybe I'm mistaken or something like that. But जब बार बार ये चीज repeat होते रहा, then one more instant happened कि I heard my father's voice. I'm sleeping, and suddenly, like in my consciousness, there was this voice, and I was like, okay, alert, एकदम completely alert होके मैं उठी. There was nothing around me. Immediately I realized कि this was the wake up call for me.
Okay.
कि I have to accept this.
Okay.
Then the moment I started accepting, I started seeing Kali Ma.
Okay.
And लोग बोलते हैं, आप जब सपने में ऐसे देखते हो, भगवान को देखते हो, या भगवान आपको कुछ बोल रहे हैं या कुछ ऐसे शेयर कर रहे हैं, आपको किसी को बोलना नहीं चाहिए. You should not share these things with anyone.
Okay.
Or when you're meditating, you're seeing भगवान का दर्शन हो रहा है, you're seeing a god or any angels or something like that, आपको किसी को शेयर नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay.
हम कौन से एरा में हैं? हम कलयुग में हैं, राइट? सत्य युग में भगवान खुद आते थे. Satyug,
Dwapar.
Dwapar Yug, Treta Yug, now Kali
Kali
Yug, right? These 3 years, God was there,
Mhm.
right? अभी हम लोग ऐसे एरा में हैं, ऐसे युग में हैं
Mhm.
जहाँ पे भगवान खुद हमारे अंदर है, शैतान भी खुद हमारे अंदर ही है,
Okay.
राइट? बट देन भगवान आपको सामने आके बोलेंगे नहीं. People, so if you don't share with the world
Mhm.
what is the message that you have received from the God,
Mhm.
people will not know,
Yeah.
right? I'm a messenger, I feel that, right? I'm a messenger. Now, whenever I'm seeing a dream or something like that, it's so magical. People have so misunderstanding about Ma Kali.
Okay.
She is someone has changed my life. Like, probably I used to be one of the, like, you know, shy, बहुत चुपचाप रहने वाली, या फिर you know, self doubt and all those things I had. But then 2016 onwards, my characteristics were changing. 2018 onwards, she completely transformed me. Even she's working on me right now also. Even
Okay.
probably she's sitting within me and she's speaking with you at the moment.
So do you see her in dreams still?
All the time.
All the time?
All the
Okay.
time. So
And is there a two-way communication between
Yes.
you, or it's there like she gives you a message and she vanishes? Like how does it work?
no, I feel her all the time. Like she's in my blood.
Okay.
Not only she, Mahadev as well.
Okay.
So probably it is like that. Probably I'm inclined to their frequencies.
Okay.
So ultimately, what are we? We are a part of our gods, right?
Uh-huh.
So हम आत्मा है परमात्मा के एक छोटे से very very tiny part of them, right? And gods are basically, according to me, are the frequencies.
Okay.
They are the pure frequencies, and for the devotee, they take a form.
Mm-hmm.
They manifest themselves in a form so that we are comfortable in recognizing कि कौन है वो deity, right?
Okay.
Now, maybe you feel Ram, maybe you feel Krishna. They also have a frequency of themselves, right? Hanumanji, he's present always, every day.
Because he's a
everywhere.
big devotee of Hanumanji, I believe.
Vikas, oh my
Yeah,
God,
yeah.
he loves him. तो ये सारे जो फ्रीक्वेंसीज है, एनर्जीज है, ये सारे प्रेजेंट है, यहीं पे है, हमारे अंदर भी है, हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में भी है, राइट? नाउ with her blessings, I was able to change myself. My inner doubts were cleared out. मैं भी obviously I'm one of, I mean, मैं भी बड़े होते होते मेरे अंदर भी fear थे, मेरे अंदर भी insecurities थे, right? She worked on me, cleared everything, and now again I'm not a, like, अभी भी मैं उतनी हुई नहीं हूँ जैसे बोलते हैं ना I am a guru or something, or like a big spiritual guide.
But you getting the vibes from like the spiritual, like Bhagwan bolo ya frequency जो आप बोल रही हो, you getting connected to them. Okay. So do you work on yourself with this? Like, do you have any incident, like, or like how do you practice this in your own life?
So it's very important while you're connecting, even while you're doing your puja also.
Okay.
You're exchanging energies, right? आप जब पूजा करते हो, how you're feeling, right? You're exchanging energies. लोग बोलते हैं सुबह उठ के पूजा कर लेना चाहिए, but पूजा कर लेना चाहिए to have a fresh mind, fresh day, good day, but then it's not a task. When you're offering your puja, it is not a task.
Okay.
You have to spend some time because you're exchanging energies with them. You're taking their blessings.
Yeah.
You're not giving, मैं जल्दी जल्दी दुख दिखा दिया, आरती कर लिया, ऐसे नहीं होता है.
खत्म हो गया, मैं चला गया,
घंटी बजा दिया, ऐसा पूजा नहीं होता है. Even though you are not able to do your worship on a daily basis, एक दिन ऐसा पूरा हफ्ते में निकालो जब आप प्रॉपरली उनके ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर सकते हो. भाई आप उन्हीं के पार्ट हो, तो ऑब्वियसली वो भी चाहेंगे कि आपको पूरा भरपूर ब्लेसिंग्स दे.
Okay.
It's not from one side. So I do my meditation morning, evening, every day.
Even today, you do every day. Okay.
Even after I got up today I got up around 7 a.m. in the morning today. Immediately I started doing my meditation. So
that's your regular thing for every day.
Yeah, my connecting, the way of connecting for me is through my meditation, or sometimes I paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
सो आपकी जैसे मैनिफेस्टेशन भी, दिस इज वन ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द इनर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आई वुड से। मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में लाइक आपसे बात जो हुआ था, like I think you have a very interesting about the story about this, like do you want to share that?
Sure. Uh, there are a lot of manifestations that has happened for me.
Mm-hmm.
Magic happened for me.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll start with I'll share two instances maybe here.
Okay.
Otherwise आपका 5 घंटा चला
कोई बात
जाएगा
नहीं, हम
class.
कर लेंगे।
So the first not the first, but a lot of girls will be able to connect with this. So after we had a small fight, you remember I told about my marriage कि घर वालों ने तभी accept नहीं
मना किया था तो हमने ओके हाँ
तो but then जब मान गए थे, that time we were planning for the dates to get married.
Okay.
Right, dates हो रहा था, but then बार बार postpone हो रहा था.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile मैंने भी वीजा के लिए अप्लाई किया था, विकास ने भी अपने पीआर के लिए अप्लाई किया था, दोनों का रिजेक्ट हो गया था
Okay.
उस टाइम में.
Mm-hmm.
So this time what I did, I bought a sari for
Mm-hmm.
myself
Uh-huh.
that I will wear on the wedding day. Lal sari, Banarsi.
Mm-hmm.
I bought the sari and I imagined myself that I'm wearing that sari and I'm getting married to Vikas.
Okay.
Okay. And this was in what 2020 2021 में मैंने साड़ी खरीदा था.
Mm-hmm.
फिर हम लोग का शादी फाइनल हुआ आपका अप्रैल मई में शादी फाइनल हुआ.
Okay. फाइनल उसी साल में कि
2022 में
2022 में
थोड़ा टाइम लगा, पर 2022 में तभी हुआ. एंड और जैसे मेरा वीजा भी कैंसिल हुआ, बट वीजा प्रोसेस टुक अराउंड लाइक 9 months. तो देन वी वर इन 2022 तब चालू हो गया था. सो शादी के लिए डेट तो फाइनल हो गया दिसंबर में, बट देन मेरा जाना भी तो होगा ना. इफ आई हैव टू कम एंड स्टे विद हिम, फॉर दैट आई नीड अ वीजा और अ पीआर, राइट. सो विकास का भी तभी पीआर कैंसिल हो गया था, तो उस टाइम में उसने अप्लाई तो नहीं किया, बट उसका वर्क परमिट था यहाँ पे. Then I wrote a letter in February 2022.
Okay.
That I'm happily married to Vikas and I'm happily settled in Canada and we both have received our PRs.
Okay.
ऐसे मैंने एक letter लिखा. And December 9th we got married.
Okay.
फिर विकास आया, तभी उसके पास PR आया नहीं था, तो he came. And जनवरी में वो वापस आया. He took all of the details, our files as in मेरा शादी का सर्टिफिकेट and all, हम लोगों का शादी के photographs and all. It seems it's necessary to submit to prove that you have a spouse. तो आके उसने यहाँ पे दोबारा पीआर के लिए अप्लाई किया. अप्लाई करने के बाद within 9 months we got a PR.
Okay.
Now the second manifestation जो मैंने आपको बोला, we are happily stable बोल के settled बोल के ऐसे मैंने बोला था. तो विकास was the primary applicant of the PR application. मैं dependent थी. And my angels did some magic and I got my COPR copy before Vikas.
I remember that incident. विकास का पीआर अप्रूव नहीं हुआ था, पर उससे पहले आपका पीआर आया था. दैट आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर. वो मुझे याद है.
Yeah.
So you think this is all because of your manifestation, the belief in this inner transformation thing. Okay. Wow. Sounds interesting.
We might not gel up with someone. Like हमारा maybe आपके साथ मेरा उतना खास रिलेशनशिप नहीं है, या मैं आपको एक आंख नहीं भाती, या
इसका मतलब पसंद नहीं
करते हो. But that's natural. But still you still have that God's energy within you. I also have that. But हमारा vibes match नहीं भी हो सकता, because your frequency is different, my frequency is different, right? So that's natural. But you have the right to choose your surroundings. Okay. Right? For example, you want to become a businessman, like I've told you before. Will you surround yourself with people who are still struggling and negative and compromising all the time? You want to follow the leaders, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. Similarly, आपको सिंगर बनना है. आप आर्टिस्ट के साथ तो नहीं रह पेंटर के साथ नहीं रह सकते. आपको सिंगर बनना है तो आपको उसी लेवल के लोगों के साथ मिलना है,
मिलना जुलना हो गया।
तो सारे जो गॉड्स भी है उनके भी सेपरेट सेपरेट गिफ्ट्स है,
ओके।
यूनिकनेस है हर इंसान का। बट हमारा जो क्या होता है ना, हम इंसान आते हैं हमारा पर्पस ही भूल जाते हैं। आपका खुद का पर्सनल पर्पस है, लाइक हरिदाई हैज अ पर्सनल पर्पस, बट योर सोल आल्सो हैज अ पर्पस,
ओके।
right? Now your sole purpose may be like just to become a good husband, simple, but Haridai's purpose is to become a great host, like Heritage को बहुत आगे तक लेके जाना है, your purpose is that. Now you will equally help each other,
okay.
है ना? So आपके थ्रू वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे कि आपका गोल मीट हो। आपका क्या है, आपको सेम कंट्रीब्यूशन उनको भी देना
होता है। Okay. And how exactly the manifestation like work? कैसे वर्क करता है ये manifestation?
So manifestation ऐसे काम करता है, so something that you truly believe, deep feeling है उसको लेके आपके अंदर, like for example आपको मे बी कोई एग्जाम क्रॉस मतलब पास करना है, यू हैव टू पास सम एग्जाम, बट मैंने उसके लिए पढ़ाई नहीं किया, आप पास करोगे? आपने मैनिफेस्टेशन कर लिया, लिख लिया एक खाते में, लेटर में कि मैंने ये कर लिया बस, बट उसके साथ आपको जो करना है वो आपने किया ही नहीं, तो आप बनोगे, आप पास करोगे? नहीं करोगे। सो मैनिफेस्टेशन
अभी तक के लिए जैसे इनर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के अंदर जो टैरोट है, टैरोट कार्ड रीडिंग और हीलिंग है, और जैसे कि मैनिफेस्टेशन सब कुछ होता है, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज मैनिफेस्टेशन, उसको कैसे करना चाहिए और वो कैसे होता है, लाइक विल यू गिव अस अ लिटिल इनसाइट अबाउट इट?
So manifestation means that you have a personal goal.
Okay.
Right? You want to bring some changes in your life.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, I want to have million subscriber by the end of the year.
End of the year. Okay.
For you, maybe. Now what you have the intention. आपका इंटेंशन क्लियर है, आपको क्या चाहिए? मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स चाहिए एंड ऑफ द ईयर।
एंड ऑफ द ईयर, यस।
देन उस पे आपको बिलीव करना पड़ेगा,
ओके,
राइट? एंड यू हैव टू विजुअलाइज एंड थिंक अबाउट इट कि वो हो चुका है, राइट? वो हो चुका है एंड यू आर एट अ स्टेट दैट यू आर थैंकिंग द यूनिवर्स कि आपका वो काम हो चुका है बिकॉज ऑफ योर कंटिन्यूअस effort of creating wonderful videos.
Okay. So it has all the aspect together. जैसे कि मेरे को 1 million सब्सक्राइबर चाहिए एंड ऑफ द ईयर तक,
that is your intention.
तो मेरे को उसके लिए विश्वास करना पड़ेगा, ओके मैं ये कर पाऊंगा,
that you believe you have that ability,
ओके, और पोटेंशियल और एबिलिटी है मेरे पास,
right.
अब उसके लिए आई नीड टू वर्क हार्ड टुवर्ड्स इट.
Yes, you have already worked hard for it.
I have started it or worked hard for it.
You have already worked hard. Because
Okay.
आपने end of the year आपने बोला है कि I've already achieved.
Okay.
I've already achieved 1 million subscriber because of my continuous efforts of creating wonderful videos.
So okay, manifestation is not about what I want. I have already achieved it. That I should believe.
Yes.
Okay. Now I think I got.
The moment you start putting that energy, वो energy हुआ, उसमें आपने effort डाला, action डाला, action क्या हुआ उसमें कि you're creating wonderful videos. So you believe that you're making the best videos.
Okay.
Right? Then you're putting, मतलब पूरा आपने चाय में चाय पत्ती डाला, अदरक डाला, चीनी डाला, your chai is ready now. Just to, you have to sip it, right?
Sip it. Okay.
Sip it as if you have to clearly visualize it.
Okay. और manifestation work करेगा 100%. Okay.
But again, इसमें if you are continuously having self doubt on it.
Okay.
Right? ये आपका चाय आपने visualize कर लिया and everything is ready. You're visualizing it. You're clearly feeling that energy कि आपने already achieve कर लिया and you're excited about it, right? You're completely excited about it. कल को एक कोई आया. Your manifestation is working fine. You're doing well. You already have good number of videos in your channel. Now suddenly someone comes in and says that Haridai, you're not a great host. Your videos are not so good. You're not doing well, right? How will you feel after that?
I might feel a little discouraged.
And
Disappointed?
Will there be any self-doubt?
I think yes.
So now you're giving that attention to the outer person, someone who is an external being.
Okay.
You're giving that attention to him.
Okay.
Somewhere back in your mind,
Mm-hmm.
you're believing him.
Okay.
Then there is a downfall of your belief.
Okay. मैं थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल चीज में जाना चाहूंगा इस बात में. Okay, I want, it's not I want, I manifested for my channel to have 1 million subscriber within this year. I have already started working on it. I am making videos. I'm trying my best to do the best videos I can, and I'm very positive about it. पर कभी कभी क्या होता है, हमारा माइंड ऐसे ही सेल्फ डाउट लेके आता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई वांट टू सेल्फ डाउट माई सेल्फ, बट ऑटोमेटिक माइंड में आ जाता है ये. आई थिंक अपना सेल्फ डाउट कभी कभी आना इज नॉर्मल टू मी, बीइंग अ वेरी नॉर्मल गाय, थिंकिंग इन अ नॉर्मल वे. बट मैं क्या कर सकता हूं, जैसे कि मेरे माइंड को मैं ट्रेन करूं कि नॉट डाउटिंग माई सेल्फ. Is there a way we can do that?
Yes, that is where I come in. My work comes in that area.
Okay.
So what do you do? So for example, a human in a day,
Mm-hmm.
do you know how many thoughts across our mind goes in a day?
I have no idea.
60,000.
60,000. Okay.
60,000 are like average के हिसाब से 60,000 thoughts हमारे दिमाग में चलता रहता है
Every
पूरे
day.
दिन में.
Okay.
Every day. Now 60,000 थॉट्स में कौन से थॉट्स आप अलाउ करते हो आपके ब्रेन में फीड करने के लिए, राइट? और कौन से थॉट्स आप ऐसे इग्नोर करते हो, लाइक इंक्लूडिंग एवरी काइंड ऑफ थॉट्स. हाँ, सो कौन से थॉट्स आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाता है, कॉन्शियस माइंड में जाता है, हाइपर कॉन्शियस माइंड में जाता है. सो दीज आर ऑल द 60,000 थॉट्स आपका नॉट कॉम्प्रेस्ड, बस उसमें से कुछ ऐसे इंफॉर्मेशन आप अपने दिमाग में कंटिन्यूसली डालते हो जो आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाके वो बिलीव बनता है.
ओके.
राइट. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, आई स्ट्रगल अ लॉट इन माय लाइफ. मुझे कोई भी काम या कोई भी चीज एक बार में नहीं मिलता है. सो यू हैव अ बिलीफ ऑन दीज थिंग्स, राइट?
ओके.
दिस इंफॉर्मेशन, ये इंफॉर्मेशन बोला कौन आपके दिमाग को?
कोई नहीं.
आप ही ने अपने दिमाग में डाला, राइट? However, you have to switch from this thought process to a positive thought process.
Okay.
No matter what, how challenging things are, I always win.
Okay.
Right? Now, हमारा माइंड ऐसा इतने सालों साल, like for example, I'm a 35-year-old woman, right? 35-year-old के टाइम में मैं जैसे जैसे सराउंडिंग्स में ग्रो अप हुई हो, मेरे जैसे जैसे सराउंडिंग्स में लोग हुए हैं, फ्रॉम देम आई हैव लर्न. व्हेनेवर देयर वाज अ फेलियर, उससे भी मैंने सीखा है, राइट? इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज दैट आई एम सराउंडेड विद पॉजिटिव पीपल. आई वाज स्कूल में मैं बुली भी हुई थी. आई हैव दिस ह्यूज क्लासेस व्हेन आई वाज किड, तो उसके लिए भी लोग मजाक उड़ाते थे. सो उस टाइम में मैंने बहुत सेल्फ डाउट एंड इनसिक्योरिटीज डेवलप कर लिया था. So now every child, when they are born with a spiritual gift.
Okay.
जो बच्चे होते हैं ना, वो भगवान के रूप होते बोलते हैं, because whatever they have this innocent pure heart, where they are not exposed to the negativity of the world, right? But slowly उसके अंदर ये मत करो ऐसा होगा, वो मत करो ऐसा होगा, या तुमसे अच्छा उसका बेटा देखो कितना अच्छा कर रहा है, we compare. तो उसको ऑलरेडी हम लोग सेल्फ डाउट के अंदर डाल रहे हैं.
Okay. हम पुश कर रहे हैं बच्चे
पुश
को.
कर रहे हैं, तो वो बच्चा वहां पे उसका जो गिफ्ट है वो धीरे धीरे सेल्फ अवेयरनेस वाला जो गिफ्ट है वो धीरे धीरे बंद पड़ रहा है. एंड द कनेक्शन विद द सोल इज स्लोली गेटिंग डिस्कनेक्ट.
Okay.
राइट. नाउ द सोल वांट्स यू,
Okay.
द डिवाइन वांट्स यू. इट्स स्क्रीमिंग योर नेम कि भाई मेरे को अटेंशन दे, अपने दलदल में मत फंस. They are trying to create this awareness within you, but we are not allowing them.
Okay.
We are indulging, we are putting all the negative things in our mind, and now the mind is fed in with these informations.
Okay.
दिमाग में मैंने ऑलरेडी पूरे इतने सालों तक ये इन्फॉर्मेशन फीड कर दिया है. Now your brain has its own control and it creates situations also like that.
Okay.
आप जितना भी पॉजिटिव चीजें ढूंढना चाहो बट आप अपने अंदर वो डाउट की वजह से आपका माइंड वैसे ही खेलेगा एंड यू हैव दिस पैटर्न.
Okay. But how can we stop those negative thoughts or like self doubt?
Okay.
उनको रोकने में क्या करें हम?
So I have a very beautiful example for this. So you have a phone. Phone, our phone is very close to us, right? Every time हमारे अंदर हमारे हाथों में फोन ही है, right? Now फोन की गैलरी में कैसे कैसे फोटोज होते हैं. पकड़ लो आपने एक साथ कुछ 30-40 फोटोज खींच लिया अपना, उसमें से कौन से फोटोज रखोगे आपके पास? अच्छा वाला फोटोज रखोगे और जो अच्छे नहीं है उसको फेंक देंगे, डिलीट कर दोगे, राइट? Now think about your mind like that. You have 60,000 thoughts. Now which are the information you want to remember?
Okay. अच्छा वाला, of course.
Do you, so for example, I hate my job. And I'm a very positive person. ऐसे दो पूरे दिन में ऐसे वाला थॉट आया, कौन सा आप रखोगे दिमाग में?
I'm a good person.
ये वाला कहाँ जाएगा?
Delete.
बट हम कर रहे हैं डिलीट
नहीं कर रहे हैं,
हम उसी को कंटिन्यूसली सोच रहे हैं.
हाँ.
और जब हम उसी को कंटिन्यूसली सोच रहे हैं, हम क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हैं हमारे सराउंडिंग में? नेगेटिविटी.
Okay.
So now I'm stressed. I'm continuously thinking about the stress. I'm attracting more stress.
Okay.
Now I am positive. People admire me, people love me, and everyone around me is so happy and so cheerful. बार बार आप इसी चीज को बोलते रह रहे हो, तो आप क्या अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो?
पॉजिटिविटी.
So there are people, like for example, ऐसे ऐसे लोग होते हैं, there is a room full of people. The moment that person walks in with a good aura, बहुत ऐसा positivity, तो आप घूम के देखते हो उनके तरफ, right? They are like the center of attention, even though they they don't want that attention. So because that person has a positive aura.
Okay.
Similarly, कोई ऐसे continuously stress होता है, बार बार complain करता रहता है, लोगों के बारे में उल्टा सीधा बात करता है, you want to avoid him, right? You will want to avoid that person.
Okay.
But वही है, अब उस इंसान से तो दूर होना चाहते हो, बट हमारे दिमाग में हम अपने दिमाग को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे from thinking that negative situation. So this is why we have to start putting positive things in your mind, in our mind basically. So good and bad तो पता है हमको,
गुड एंड बैड पता है,
तो but who is the smart person to take that decision? So the control shouldn't be with the mind, it has to be with you.
Okay.
You have to control your mind.
Okay.
Not the other way
तो जो
around.
माइंड हमारा कंट्रोल ले रहा है, we need to take that back and we control our mind.
Yeah.
And get only the positive things in it,
Right.
and delete the negative thing.
Exactly.
That was the conclusion. Okay. Yes, this is it even happens to me like all the time. Like I try to think very positive. I'm very what do you call that? I'm आशावादी बोलते हैं ना इसको. But at some point वहाँ पे जो negative होता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. Like what I'm doing अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो
Surety नहीं है.
हाँ वो आ जाता है. So from today I'll try to practice that and I will be coming to your guidance.
One
maybe.
more thing which you can do or practice is even though you have like you can monitor your thoughts.
Okay.
You maybe take a diary or do one diary for gratitude, which I'll come in the next minutes, probably couple of minutes. So manifestation के लिए एक पहले आप एक डायरी लो. Not manifestation, don't label it immediately. उसमें आपको पूरे दिन में आपके कैसे कैसे थॉट्स है वो लिखो. और लिखने के बाद जो आपको आंखों में अच्छा नहीं है, ये क्या मैंने थॉट लिखा ऐसा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आप डिलीट करते जाओगे. Automatically वो remove होता जाएगा and only good thoughts will start coming out.
Okay.
That is a good practice.
Okay. So that is a good practice. और आपने बोला ये gratitude के बारे में, like what is gratitude? ये क्या होता है इसमें?
So for example किसी बड़े ने या किसी पकड़ लो हमारे दादा नाना नानी दादा दादी होते हैं ना, तो when they come and visit us, they give us छोटा मोटा थोड़ा सा पैसा दे देते हैं, थोड़ा गिफ्ट दे देते हैं. How do you feel at that point of time?
I love it.
You love it, right? And we say thank you, right?
Yes.
सो ना भगवान ने, हम लोग हमेशा नेगेटिव चीजों में फोकस करते हैं,
Okay.
बट इतने सालों में उन्होंने आज तक आपको इतना कुछ दिया. डिड वी से अस थैंक यू टू देम?
नहीं, ज्यादातर भगवान से तो मैंने देखा है, इंक्लूडिंग मी, हम मांगते रहते हैं, मेरे को ये दे दीजिए, ये कर दीजिए, वो कर दीजिए,
कर दिया, चलो
कर
उसके
दिया,
बाद
भूल गए,
नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट मांगने के लिए
नेक्स्ट
लिस्ट
मांगने
रेडी.
के लिए चले जाएंगे.
So we don't feel, there is no gratitude in our heart,
Okay.
right? ये जो आप आज ऐसे, this wonderful team is helping you out, you're able to do this shoot and everything, are you thankful for that? Probably in your heart, but have you said the thank you to the God or the universe?
Not yet.
So what you're able, so you're capable to see, you're capable to breathe, you are able to speak, you are able to hear, walk, write, eat. So ये सब abilities तो है ना, भगवान ने देके रखा ना, बहुत सारों को नहीं है. Are we not happy with that? Are we not blessed? We are, right?
We are.
Do we say thank you enough?
Now you made me speechless. Actually, I haven't, honestly. And now you reminded me, like, there are people who cannot even talk, listen, or see, or walk. Yeah, I'll try to change myself.
It's not try to change yourself. It's like you have to do these things. Your soul is continuously telling you. Like, we need to evolve. Like, your soul is probably saying that, hurry, wake up. It's screaming, but we are not listening to it. We are ignoring because of the chaos of the world. Right? So, first of all, start connecting with your soul. How do we do it? Thank your soul for choosing you in this life.
Okay.
And thank everything that is existing in your life, including your wife, including Leo, including your son.
Everyone.
Everyone who's, even आपका क्रॉस भी पाथ भी क्रॉस होता है ना, कट करना थोड़ा सा. That person is there because you're learning from that person. Everyone is a experience.
Okay.
Right? So gratitude has to be a regular exercise for human being.
Okay.
The moment you wake up, thank you for the day. Before going to bed, I've experienced this, I did this, I had a very wonderful coffee today. One of my friend reached out to me and gave me good wishes, warm wishes, like that. A viewer had encouraged me, said nice things to me, thank you.
Okay.
तो ये सब सारे बहुत चीजें important है.
So that will bring you to the positive energy.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now, immediately, like the moment we start working with ourselves, like awakening बोलते हैं ना, evolving ourselves, we will see a lot of change. But we have to know our potential also, कि हम कितने strong हैं, हमारा दिमाग कितना strong है. Right? Like for example, imagine आपके गांव से कोई, मतलब नेपाल से कोई आया है, they have got this big basket maybe of lemon, fresh lemon. Imagine, okay? Imagine that lemon and you sniff it, थोड़ा सा से नाखून से ऐसे थोड़ा सा हल्का सा स्किन में करके you have sniffed it. And then your wife is like थोड़ा सा से बीच में से काट के and थोड़ा नाक में ऐसे करके जब आपने sniff किया, how are you feeling it? Are you salivating?
Yeah.
You are, right?
Yeah.
So, but do you have the lemon in your hand?
No.
But see the power of your mind.
Okay, now I will add something. Okay. Now आपने जो बोला, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, like I'm feeling it, मेरे को खट्टा लग रहा है, खट्टा बोलते हैं ना उसको. तो in the very beginning of this show, like you lit a candle.
Yeah.
At that time, I felt like, पता नहीं उसको क्या बोलते हैं अंदर से, मेरे को नेपाली में जिरिंग क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हिंदी में समझ गए कुछ? क्या है? I felt a sensation in it. What is that?
I have mentioned before that everything around us is energy. Right? The fire is an energy.
Okay.
How do we put fire? Like put fire in our mind कि वो उसका जो frequency है, what kind of frequency does it hold? गरम वाला है, but again, is it a positive frequency?
It is positive.
हाँ, ठीक है. So whenever we are doing prayer, हम दिया जलाते हैं, right? Now I did a small prayer for you. with your name, so that happens soon with the blessing of our divine creator.
Mhm.
Right? I did a small magic and I took your name and I lit the candle.
Mhm.
And since your name was mentioned, you
So
felt
that
the
energy
energy
got to me.
exchange.
Wow. Okay. No, I honestly felt that. Like when you lit that candle, it was twice. I feel like नेपालीमा मैले भन्नुपर्दा सबैले होइन मलाई चाहिँ जिरिङ्ग भयो अनि लाइक फेरि एकछिन पछाडि अर्को एकदम फेरि जिरिङ्ग भएर लाइक इट फेल ट्वाइस आई इभन टोल्ड यु इन द बिगिनिङ आइ एम टेलिङ दिस इन द भिडियो राइट नाउ and that what I felt. So when you say like when we were talking about the energy, I felt like asking, I don't know if it is a good question to ask or not.
Yes, definitely.
So let's say the energy, अब मेरे को तो मालूम हो गया like energy will transform in him. Like आपने जो बोला था healing होता है, what is healing? Like healing कैसे होता है and वो होता क्या है?
So healing बहुत types के होते हैं. एक तो health wise भी होता है, right? एक spiritual healing भी होता है.
Okay.
And एक self जो आप अपने ऊपर करते हो in order to evolve your body cleansing बोल लो.
Okay.
For example, so maybe you're going through a prolonged disease or something. Disease, I would not say. So, for example, you have BP issues.
Okay.
ठीक है? I see you have BP
I
issues.
do have BP issues.
उसको ठीक करना है. कैसे करोगे?
दवाई खाऊंगा.
हाँ. दवाई के ऊपर हमारा डिपेंडेंसी 100% है. But do you know you can heal yourself without having to have a single med? But I will not obviously,
Suggest me, okay.
Suggest that you stop your medicines. I will not tell that part. Along with your medicines, you can heal yourself.
Okay.
How will
and
you
at
do
some
it?
point I will be able to leave the medicine if I'm taking one.
Yes.
Okay.
You can heal yourself at a level where you have 100% vitality.
Okay.
How will you do it?
No idea.
So let's do this exercise if you are comfortable.
Now?
Yeah.
Let's do it then.
Okay. So tell me one thing.
Do I have to get worried about anything?
No,
or
just sit
no?
straight.
Okay.
Just sit straight.
Okay.
Put your feet firm in your on the floor.
Okay.
सीधा बैठना.
सीधा, huh?
ठीक है.
Okay.
Now when you pray to your जिसको आप मानते हो deity से आप pray करते हो, do you put your head downwards or your upwards?
Downwards, I believe.
Downwards. Okay. Now you're looking at me. Okay. Now take 3 deep breaths. Like 4 seconds in, 2 seconds hold, 7 seconds out. Do this again. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly close your eyes and continue inhaling. Hold. Exhale. एक और बार करो. Fill your belly with all the air. Exhale. Now slowly आप जैसे भगवान को प्रे करते हो वैसे उस शेप में आप अपना सर थोड़ा सा नीचे करो. Right. Now count from 10 to 1 in your head. Okay. You're Hari, right? Don't shake your head or something. Like we are tuning ourselves with the divine energy. Okay. Now I'm saying a couple of things. Repeat after me in your head. My name is Hari. I'm grateful that you have healed me completely, in and out. My cells and DNAs are completely repaired. My blood pressure level is completely normal. I am a picture of health. And I'm completely healed right now. Trust it. I believe. Thank you so much. And within 5, I'll count from 5 to 1 and snap in front of you, and you'll come out of the process. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How are you feeling?
Wow. I'm feeling light. I felt a sensation in my head.
Because you were connected to the universe, divine universe.
Okay.
Now you tell your feeling. Elaborate maybe.
In the beginning, when I closed my eyes, I was taking it normal. और मैं जब सांस ले रहा था, I did it normally until then. And when you started saying like, I was kind in a state of meditation. सीधा बोलूँ तो like I was, वो एक feeling होता है ना meditation का, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Sensation आ रहा
हाँ.
था.
और when you started उसको क्या बोलते हैं, preaching, or when you started saying words, I felt sensation here going around here, just as a line in this part here.
Yeah.
I didn't feel anything in my nerves, not in my heart, nothing, but I felt a sensation here. I don't know where I supposed to feel, but that's what happened to me.
That is where you feel, because where am I putting the words to? Who am I feeding those words? Your
My
mind.
Ah, okay.
Now your mind is getting activated and it will
Okay.
release those chemicals to your body to
Wow.
heal your body basically.
Wow. Honestly, this is exactly what I felt. So, मैं like, मेरी बीवी थोड़ी she believes in this thing.
Yeah.
I do meditation. It's not like I don't. So I will share a small experience. Like when we were having a lot of trouble with our paperwork, she was in Nepal, I was here. It was a
Yeah.
long time.
Yeah.
And the paper was not working. Like वो बाद में पता चला कि like the document was lost. वो
Okay. Yeah,
गुम
yeah,
हो गया
yeah,
था.
yeah.
तो it took us 3.5 years or something. So उस टाइम पे इसने मेरे को कन्विंस क्या कराया, like I was kind of very disturbed mentally. So क्या कन्विंस कराया मेरी बीवी ने कि like meditation say you will feel better.
Yes.
I know you are in trouble, you are like, वो जितने भी trouble हो रहे थे. तो I started doing meditation. I did around a month or so, and I started feeling like amazing. मैं सुबह उठ के हमेशा करने लगा, and I felt amazing. So even अभी जो मेरे को जानते हैं, I tell all of my friend like I don't know about anything, पर meditation करोगे तो you will feel good. That I know and it happened to me करके मैं सबको बोलता हूँ. So this is exactly what I felt today. यहाँ पे round इधर घुमा, is in a thread जैसे. ये नहीं कि सब जगह ऐसे, यहाँ पे thread जैसे घुमा मेरे को. So now you say it's in the brain, so I believe you. And now I do have a little bit of belief coming to me. I can see that. And I'm feeling better, honestly.
I'm glad you are.
I don't know what to ask now. I felt it by myself. So, आपको क्या है? Like, अगर if anybody is going through any problem, as you already said, you can guide them, but it is not the cure you will give. They have to work on themselves.
Right.
But you will guide them the path.
Yes.
So, what kind of people can seek a help like this?
So it differs from person to person. What they are going through, what are the problems they are facing. However, everything is being manifested by themselves, so they have to work on themselves, right?
Okay.
So now there is trauma, there is self-doubt, there is let's not say that, but again, addictiveness is also there. A lot of people are addicted to a lot of things, right? Those things are there. Now, how do we get rid of them? Those things? Unless you want to get rid of it, I cannot help.
Okay.
आपको वो decision लेना पड़ेगा, right? So, for example, there is a person who is being suffering from maybe knee pain or something like shoulder pain or something like that. तो उनको first of all आपके जो अंदर के feelings है ना, guilt है, regret है और something like that, those feelings causes those pains actually. Okay. तो आपको अपना address करना पड़ता है जो regret है. So first of all, you're hurting yourself. बेसिकली आप अपना सेल्फ डाउट ये सब क्रिएट करने के बाद आपने अपना यूनिकनेस को ही छोड़ दिया. आप अपने आप को दूसरे के साथ कंपेयर करना चालू कर दिया, जो आपको करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. बिकॉज यू आर अ यूनिक पर्सन, राइट? यू लुक डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स. व्हाई विल दे, your date of birth is different from others.
Everything is different,
right? Yeah. Why will you like compare yourself with anyone? People can grow according to their डेस्टिनी। सो हमारा जो लाइफ होता है ना, उसमें डेस्टिनी 3 चीजें विच इज लाइक अनडिनाइबली हम लोग उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते। 1 लाइफ, डेथ, शादी।
शादी भी चेंज नहीं कर सकते।
अभी आपको आपका जो लाइफ पार्टनर होना है वो एंड ऑफ द टाइम होना ही है।
ओके। पर जैसे लोग तो आजकल 4-5 शादियां कर रहे हैं।
they'll meet there, so basically, so अगर 4-5 शादी भी कर रहे हैं ना, तो probably they have a karmic contract.
Okay.
वो भी in depth हम लोग बाद में discuss कर सकते हैं।
Okay.
But again, everything depends on it. Like if someone has a karmic contract of a life partner or something like that, so उनका उतने ड्यूरेशन के लिए ही साथ रहेगा।
Okay, so वो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ होता है कि इस टाइम से इस टाइम तक they might be together.
Yeah.
Okay.
And again, sometimes people again take, with by mistake, choose the wrong person.
Okay.
But at the end, आप उसी बंदे के साथ रहने वाले हो जो आपके साथ बनने, मतलब आपके साथ रहने के लिए पैदा हुआ है या बना हुआ है, right? Some people are like they don't find their soulmate because a lot of people like अपने आप को इतना indulge कर लेते हैं, they end up not finding the soulmate.
Okay.
उसमें भी आपका बात होता है, आपका जब वो फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच होता है ना, if you're going down and down and down, but जो आपका सोलमेट है उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी इज वेरी हाई, तो आप लोग मिल नहीं पाते।
Okay.
So again you have to take both.
So in that time you can guide people.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I can help them with is to change their perception about themselves. Okay. That they can't do anything.
Okay.
But making them or having them trust themselves, find their inner strength.
Okay.
Connect with their soul, evolve them, because every human being has the right to find themselves.
Okay.
And the divine is trying to help them, just that the society is not letting them, they have made their mind like that कि वो उस केज से बाहर ही नहीं आ पा रहे,
वो वहीं पे जकड़े हुए हैं।
Right. So
Okay.
they just need a helping hand.
Okay. And then
That could be mine or someone else. Right.
Yeah. So it sounds very much about this modern psychology, what people call. Is it a right word to say you are a spiritual psychologist?
A spiritual guide, maybe.
Not the psychologist guide. Okay.
Or psychic, you may say, because we work with a lot of energies of the person or someone who is not there in the world,
Okay.
physically present, but the soul is there. Again,
Okay.
it's an energy. So
you can get connected to those soul as well.
Yeah. So when I do tarot, a lot of time it has happened that I am connected with the soul of someone who has passed away.
Okay.
Like a couple of years back or long time back. This has happened many times, and they only have like a couple of messages for them, for their loved ones.
Okay.
So they just need your help to pass on the messages. Or for example, there is someone in the family who, let's take your example, maybe आपके family में कोई ऐसे थे, maybe दादा या चाचा या ताया or anyone जिसको maybe news anchor बनना था, या रेडियो में एंकर करना था, या टीवी में एंकरिंग करना था, या something like that, who wanted to pass on information to a large group of people.
Okay.
But he was not able to complete it.
Okay.
वो नहीं कर पाया. Now it might be like that कि वही आपके थ्रू इस लाइफ में वापस आए हैं, and you're doing this podcast at the moment, or that person is now near you,
guiding me
and guiding you to do this.
So I might be guided by my like ancestors. Okay.
So I'm giving an example. ऐसे बहुत सारी जगहों पे होती है. So for example, this has happened with one of my clients, तो नहीं बोलूँगी, my friend actually have become very close to me now. उनके family में their great grandfather has started this business. But वो business ना ऐसे ठप पड़ गया, हुआ ही नहीं, किसी ने चालू नहीं किया.
Okay.
But then this person like after he tried a lot of businesses, बहुत कुछ किया, कुछ नहीं चला, but then he decided कि ठीक है मैं अपने ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर का बिजनेस वो उसी नाम के थ्रू मैं स्टार्ट करना चालू करता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत मॉडिफाई किया, मॉडर्न चीजें लाया एंड ऑल, नाउ ही इज डूइंग वेल.
Wow.
It's just that the great grandfather has remanifested himself at this from this person.
So he's helping indirectly. So did
No,
you?
no, he's not helping. He is the person.
Oh, he is the person.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got connected to that soul. That how you?
No, I didn't get connected, but I could see his past life like that while doing my reading or session.
And did you tell them about that?
I did not disclose, but I just told them that they are blessing you and guiding you like that.
Wow. So
not everyone is ready to take this information that past incarnations happen. Reincarnations happen.
So according to you, it happens.
Obviously.
Okay. Is there any
in this world? अभी जो हमारा दुनिया है, there is no new soul at all.
So it's the same soul rotating around.
जो हमारा महाभारत में कैसे बताते हैं लाइफ एंड डेथ वो साइकिल है. Unless you have like attend the divinity and then परमात्मा के साथ मिलन होता है until you break the chain and all.
आपने कोई ऐसे इंसिडेंट में आ गए जिसको आपको विश्वास लगा कि like yes this is the rotating soul, like you said that's
this guy is, yes, definitely,
and you can say it like very confidently.
Yes.
Okay. And how did you know about that? Through which
so while I was connecting, I was doing his healing.
Okay.
I was doing this guy's healing because a lot of like health issues he was going through.
Okay.
Because he was not addressing his anger issues बहुत थे इनके.
Okay.
अंदर. Then while I was doing his healing, I realized that okay, this business, जब उन्होंने अपना business के बारे में बात करना चालू किया, I was getting glimpse of that old जब उन्होंने वो स्टार्ट किया था, मतलब इनके ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर ने उनका
बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया
था, and suddenly I started like वो उनका थोड़ा इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा था. That time I realized okay.
वो उन्होंने नहीं बताया, आपको आ रहे थे.
हाँ.
Okay. और आपने बताया उनको मेरा ऐसे वाला इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है कि नहीं बताया?
हाँ, बताया मैंने. But then I did not tell them that is the only
you
person
are the one.
I have just informed that this person is helping you out as.
But he might know after watching this podcast.
No.
No?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Because ऐसे बहुत सारे common चीजें हुई है.
Okay. So that is not, it's just an example. सिर्फ वो एक नहीं है. There are many. Yes. So nobody knows who exactly it is.
Yeah, there are a couple of like similar incidents that happened. Like 2018 say now it's like a long time, right?
Yeah. Wow. No, I'm getting a very, very, very good knowledge about this, and I fully trust you. I'm getting those energy. I'm getting that. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो आ रहा है. I'm receiving energy at a moment. And जो tarot card होते हैं, वो आप tarot card read करते हैं. Obviously, we haven't talked about that. So उससे कैसे पता चलता है आपको, like what is the procedure, like how do you do it?
So tarot helps you to connect with the person's energy who wants the reading, right? And through the energy, so as I told you, we all have energies, right? So we are capable of connecting with the soul energy also through that person, okay? And the messages that you get is basically the guidance that we want to share. Not we want to share, it's that person wants to know,
okay,
right? Then if a person is having like dilemma whether they should do this or not, उस टाइम में भी टैरो काफी हेल्प करता है.
Okay.
So एस्ट्रोलॉजी में क्या होता है, आप प्लैनेट के मूवमेंट्स के उस बेसिस में या फिर ग्रह नक्षत्र एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, उसके बेसिस में आप अपना प्रेडिक्शंस बोलते हो, राइट? बट हियर टैरो में आप जब एनर्जी के साथ कनेक्ट करते हो, यू गेट टू नो द पर्पस ऑफ द लाइफ.
Okay.
जब एक स्पिरिचुअल कोई पर्सन जो आपका स्पिरिट के साथ आप जब कनेक्ट करते हो, उनको क्या बताना है या उनको क्या शेयर करना है, तो वो थ्रू टैरो यू कैन से.
Okay.
But along with the tarot, when you're doing it, your intuition becomes so strong that you are drawing informations also.
Okay.
And you are you are required to share those information, be it irrelevant also.
Okay.
रेलेवेंट हो irrelevant हो, बट आपको वो बताना है उन बंदे को या फिर जो भी रीडिंग करा रहा है
जो आपको आ रहा है वो बताना
बताना
है.
है.
Okay. Wow.
So ultimately, it's a tool that helps you find your answers or guidance that you are seeking.
Okay. And they are usually like once you connect it to the energy, you get all the answers about it. Okay. So you do tarot reading as well.
I do.
But you don't have a tarot card today, do you? No.
I don't.
You don't. Okay. So we'll do it some other days then. So ये हुई, these all things are like inner transformation. That's what you say. And you are doing this since 2018, you said, if I'm not wrong. So is there anything you want to share which you feel is amazing, or something very different experience you had within this year, or what you think people might have to listen as well?
So for me is when I have to share a message with the people or your crowd or viewers, I will only say one thing, that trust yourself.
Okay.
God has created with an intention, just that you have a best experience of this world.
Okay.
God never wanted you to suffer
Mhm.
self-doubt or compare yourself or judge people or be in a position of where you become very negative and lose faith. He did not create people for that, right? He created so that we can have the best experience in life.
Okay.
But we are not following it. The soul is always trying to connect with us, but we are not giving it a chance.
True.
We are not giving it a chance. So try to have that faith in yourself. Whatever you want, the universe is there to support you.
Okay.
You want $1 billion, ask in the right way, they'll give you.
That is $1 billion.
Yes.
If Elon Musk can make $1 billion, maybe you
Exactly.
can.
Right. You have to work towards. So for example, you want $1 billion, right? But then you're not doing anything. You'll not get the $1 billion, right? You have to have a goal.
Okay.
Now you have to have a goal. You have to take the right actions to reach out to that level. घर पे बैठ के मोबाइल
चलाने
स्वाइप
से
करके
नहीं आएगा.
नहीं होगा.
Okay. You have to work for it.
Exactly. And again, if you have a goal, if you have an idea, think about it continuously. इतना डेडिकेशन करो कि वो आपका डिवोशन बन जाए, वो काम ही आपका भगवान बन जाए.
Okay.
तो आपको राइट जिस चीज में चलना है ना, जिस रास्ते में चलना है, जो स्टेप्स लेना है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके लिए खुलने लगेगा.
Okay.
It happens. So I wrote to myself in 2016, 15, 16, I wrote to myself that I'll be a CEO of a company.
Okay.
Now I'm a CEO of a company.
You made it happen.
I made it happen.
Okay. Wow.
Anyone can make it happen. Just that a little bit of faith in yourself, a little bit of faith in terms that you can do it.
Okay.
You are magic. You are someone who God loves.
Okay.
Like anything. You are the best creation of God.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Yeah, very interesting talk today. Very, very, very different for me. It's totally new. और एक दूसरी बात पूछा मैं. We are at the end of the program as well. I had a astrologer in my previous podcast. I don't know if you have watched that video or not. He said, like, if you can give us exact date of birth, like the birthplace and the exact timing birth, he can predict. Not only him, anybody who has knowledge of the astrology, they can predict everything in your life, and they can even give you exact time of your death.
That is there. And my mother used to do that. She could say.
So can inner transformation, the tarot, this kind of thing can predict those things as well?
Yes.
You can predict that thing if you get the exact information.
So it depends on the soul as well, whether they want to share that information or not.
Okay.
But again, you get to know.
And have you known any persons?
Yes, couple of years back, I have informed this person that one of their loved ones will not be staying for a long time. Sadly, it
That
happened.
happened.
I do not like to share those kind of information because it demotivate and
That
upset
gives.
that person.
Okay.
So I do not like to
So
share.
even
So I
if
keep
you
those things to myself.
even if you know that, you don't share it to
No.
people. You just keep quiet and.
Because there is a intention in person, not intention but इंसान का एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है. जैसे बुरा न्यूज आता है ना, उसी चीज को लेके कंटिन्यूसली सोचते रहेंगे.
हाँ.
जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने अगर किसी को बोला, फॉर एग्जांपल अभी बहुत सारे वीजा के लिए बहुत सारे लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि मेरा वीजा कब आएगा. मैंने देखा है जिसको जिसको मैंने बोला कि नहीं आएगा या थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, सम ऑफ देम या भाड़ में जाए ऐसा वाला है, बट सम ऑफ देम बिकम्स वेरी सैड. मेरे ही लाइफ में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता है, ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता ये वो. So there are reasons I do not share a lot of information because of this, because they are drawing a lot of negativity also with that. Maybe वो शायद से वो अगर मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे तो शायद से वो काम हो भी जाएगा. True. Right? But then उसी चीज को अगर कंटिन्यूसली वो दिमाग में डालते रहेंगे तो वही चीज वो मैनिफेस्ट होगा. Exactly. और वो जल्दी हो जाएगा. Okay. इसीलिए. So because of that intention, you don't like share all the details which are unrelevant or anything in that thing. So saying this, if I ask you a question, how will be my 2026? So your good time has started. Actually, you were to start this work, your podcast, I'm telling you, should have been started in 2023, probably in September. Okay. But वो कुछ वो लोग होता है ना, वो आवाज अंदर से आता है तो सुन के कर लेते हैं. अंदर से डीप फीलिंग आता है, मेरे को करना है ये वाला, मेरे को आवाज आ रहा है अंदर से. और कुछ लोग अंदर का आवाज सुन के करते हैं, कुछ लोग धक्का खा के करते हैं. नहीं, मेरे दिमाग में जब आपने बोला 2023 के सितंबर, उस टाइम पे आया था पॉडकास्ट का सोच. मैं like what I usually do is I do videos छोटा वाला with my resources. I didn't have a team to do this podcast. मैंने पहले हमारा एक भाई को, हमारा निश्चल को भी बोला था लाइक कोई है एडिट करने वाला, और उसने मैं करूंगा दाई बोला था. और मैं पहले से ही इन लोग मनीष के पास बात कर रहे थे लाइक आई वांट टू डू दिस, कोई है कोई हेल्प कर, क्योंकि आई एम जस्ट अ गाय हु कैन टॉक, बट उसके अलावा मेरे को कोई नॉलेज भी नहीं है. आई कैन नॉट डू ऑल दिस एडिटिंग एंड ऑल. तो आई वाज टेलिंग, आई इवन टोल्ड लाइक फाइंड समवन, लेट्स डू इट. और ऐसे ही रहा. और जब हमारा भाई आया सौजन, तो वी बिकेम अ टीम. And then we started this. Right. It happened little later than what you said, like the September 2023. But I think that my third was there. I wanted to do it. I wanted to start, but कोई बात नहीं, देर से आया दुरुस्त आया. वही बोलता है. So वही है, एक इंसान सुन के करता है अंदर की आवाज, एक इंसान सिचुएशन में धक्का खा के they start doing it. So your 2025, 2026 immediately abhi nahi bolungi, there are a lot of changes that will happen in your life. So 2026 will be like 360 degree change ho jayega aapka life. So 2025 mein hum log baat karte hain. You will, I hope that's a positive change. I hope nahi ho, I know it's a positive change. I know it's a positive change. Okay. So 2025 you will have fame. Okay. Fame matlab you are at the right path. Ultimately, finally you are at the right path. Okay, finally I'm there. Okay, thank you. So this will grow, this will, you have to put your motivation, keep your doubts aside. You have to work hard. Okay. Put 100% in this work. You will grow. No one can stop. Okay. Thank you, Ravi. I'll try my best. I'll do as much as I can. And thank you. It encourages you. It encourages me. So I'm more motivated, more encouraged now. So we are going at the end of the episode now. If you have few words to say to your viewers or to our viewers, please, mic is yours. Thank you so much for watching us today. Please subscribe to Haridai's channel. And God bless you all and have a wonderful life ahead. That's it. Nothing else. Thank you very much, Bobby, for your time, for all this information. For me, it's like so much information at the same time. I hope the people will find the same. And if anybody is willing to get a path
to your success, or if you are doubting anything in life, or if you want a guidance in your life, you can contact our Bhavi, Sonakshi, and she might be a guide for you. And we will also leave the number down below, and then you can contact her directly, or you can contact us and we can even connect you with her. Saying that, I would like to end the program today. Bhavi, thank you very much for
Thank you
coming.
so much.
We'll see you again, and God bless us all.